I'm going to show you how to do unit conversions within the metric system. Here's our first example. 3.68 kilograms is how many grams? The first thing we need to do is we need to come up with our conversion factors. For your conversion factors, you always want to look at one for every prefix unit that you have and set it equal to the base unit. So for example, in this problem, we have kilograms to grams. The only one with a prefix is kilograms. Kilo is the prefix. So we're going to set 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? We're going to fill this in by using the number from our chart in class. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Remember, kilo means 1,000, hecto is 100, deca will be 10, the base unit is just 1, deci is 0.1, centi is 0.01, and then milli will be 0.001. From here, we're going to start to make our bar. You always start with a given unit in the top left box. Whatever unit is in that box, the exact same unit goes diagonal, and above it, we want to put the unit we're trying to get to or the unit for which we have a conversion factor. In this case, they're one and the same. We have a conversion factor for kilograms to grams, and that happens to be what we want to get to, so it goes in the top box. Once we have that, now we are going to use our conversion factor to fill in our numbers. What we came up with in our conversion factor should be the exact numbers that go in this box. Be careful to put the correct number next to each unit. Next to the kilogram here, we have a 1, so that goes down here. And next to the gram, we have 1,000, so it goes up here. Then we're going to plug in our original number. To find your answer, you multiply the top. You would multiply the bottom if there was more than one thing. And we end up with an answer of 3,680 grams. So 3.68 kilograms is 3,680 grams. Let's try another example. This one, we're going to have to go a little bit farther. You're going to see in this one we actually have 2 prefixes. Therefore, we have to have 2 different conversion factors. So we're going to set 1 centimeter equal to the base unit of a meter and 1 millimeter equal to the base unit of a meter. Once we do that, we can start to fill in our numbers. Centi means 0.01, milli means 0.001. From there, we can start to set up our chart. We start with centimeters in both locations because that is the given. Remember, whatever goes in this box, same unit goes diagonal. Now above it, we need something for which we have a conversion factor. If we look at our conversions, we have a conversion from centimeters to meters. We don't have one from centimeters to millimeters. So I have to put a centimeter to meter in this top box. Remember, whatever goes here, same unit diagonal. And above it is the unit I have a conversion for, or what I'm trying to get to, which is millimeters. I'm now going to plug in my given, 0.101 centimeters. I'm going to plug in my numbers. Notice in that blue box I have 1 centimeter, 0.01 meters. In the green box I have 1 millimeter, 0.001 meters. Again, the biggest problem students have is putting the conversion factors into their chart correctly. Multiply the top numbers, multiply the bottom numbers, divide the top by the bottom, and you will have your answer.